Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to embed one website inside another web page. So let's get started. For this activity, I have created one folder on the desktop with the name HTML. We have one HTML file over here in which we are going to embed another website. So I'll just do right click, open with Visual Studio Code. We have basic tags in this HTML, that is HTML start and end tag. It is going to have one head, and inside the head tag we have mentioned one title tag, and we have provided a title for this HTML page, that is embedded website example. Now in the body tag we have provided one heading, embedding an external website. And to embed an external website inside this web page, we have made use of iframe. So in iframe, for the src attribute, you need to provide the website name. We are going to embed wikipedia.org website inside this web page. Now width and height you can set according to your requirement. So these are the basic attributes required to display a web page inside another web page. Okay, so I'll just press Ctrl S to save this. Now we have used wikipedia.org because it is available to be embedded inside this web page. You cannot embed all the website due to security reasons. Some of the website will get embedded, for others you will get an error. Okay, so let's save this and see how it looks. Now once you have saved by pressing Ctrl S, now you can go to this file, do a right click, open with Google Chrome. So this is your local web page, website embedded example.html. This is an example of embedding an external website. Okay, so this is how it is going to look. You have embedded Wikipedia web page inside your local web page which you have developed. Over here it is interactive. Since we are connected to internet, we can access the website. So that's how it works. With the help of iframe, you can embed another website inside your one web page. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.